accustomed to.
Yeah, only one she love even silently.
But if you fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it.
Oh, we soldier got
Don't know when my nights became so complicated. Can't recall my mind and ever been as faded. Maybe this is called my definition of trading. Oh, this stays on my mind. This stays on my mind. Trying to put a mother on my crazy feelings. One minute I'm cold and then the next I'm tripping. No, with somebody who especially don't deserve it. So it's still on my mind. He's still on my mind. Build it up, build it up. Just to let it all show away. Tell me did I lace you up, just to watch you run away. Tell me who's getting on my love, who's getting on my love. Tell me who's getting on my side. All of that used to be mine. Oh, this is what I thought you were. Better not care for my nickname. I don't like thinking about it. I swear that it's wearing me down. No, but tell me who's getting all of mine? Who's getting all of mine? Ridiculous. Who's getting all of mine? Who's getting all of mine? Ridiculous.
All right, y'all, we are back home, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rincey. I make lifestyle vlogs, nursing school vlogs, weekly vlogs, travel vlogs. Yeah, you're gonna love it here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But as you guys can see, we did like a mini Sunday reset today. Let me take my jacket off first of all. Saying we did a mini Sunday reset. I didn't actually end up showing you guys every single thing I did, but we did clean the kitchen. We did do some laundry. You guys see me, I was putting up some of my clothes. and then I did the bathroom. So I didn't record everything. Oh yeah, clean my living room, all that. Pretty much clean the whole house. But yeah, today we have a new weekly vlog. We started off with our Sunday reset, our monthly reset. It is a new month. Happy February, happy Black History Month. Now I'm gonna stop chatting and show you guys what we got from Trader Joe's. And in the comments, let me know, where are y'all doing grocery shopping? Y'all know we can't shop at Target no more. We can't, well, I won't say we. Do as you wish. But I'm not shopping at Target, Walmart right now. I should have checked on Trader Joe's before I went there, actually. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. I just felt like doing some grocery shopping at Trader Joe's today instead of just going to the regular grocery store. So let me show you guys some of the stuff I picked up. First, I got this pepperoni pizza. I was going to get the dough and make a pizza with their ingredients by myself, but I was like, let me try this out first since I never like used it before, any of their other stuff. So I'm like, let's try the pizza, something quick to eat. I got some baby zucchinis. I also got some peppers. I also got green peppers because Winter, a girl from Bad Girls Club way back when, she was on TikTok and she showed me, well, showed us, flowers, BTW. She showed this, she showed a Caesar salad dip. And y'all, I love me a Caesar salad. So I'm like, a dip? I have to try this. But she cut up peppers and ate it like that. And I'm super excited to try. And I also got some spinach dip because it sounded good. It was right next to it. Got some cucumber. I got a Caesar salad in a bag. I'm like, oh, instead of eating this in one setting, I could kind of split this up. So if I want to take this to clinical and it could be my little lunch. I also got some chicken drumsticks. I might make 2 of these today and then leave the 3 for whatever I make sometime during the week. I also got some baby carrots because I thought I'm gonna try it with the Caesar salad dip too. Like, why not? And then I'm also going to try this Southwest style chicken quesadillas. I really haven't had a lot of Trader Joe's frozen food, but a lot of people like it. So I'm like, why not try it? And it said it was, the whole container is 830 calories, but I think, yeah, per container. So, and it's 2 servings per container. So yeah, sounds good. Then I also got some snacks that I wanted to try. I got some of their movie theater popcorn. For my spinach dip, I got the Truly tortilla chips in the white corn. Just gonna try these out. I hope they're good. They're seasoned with sea salt and lime, so I really hope that they taste like Chipotle. Chipotle chips is also, I mean chips and queso. Then I also decided to try this. I'm not really a plantain chip girl, but it's a jerk style. So I was like, doesn't hurt to try it. And this is 140 calories per serving. Then I got some lime. These are my green peppers, lemon and lime. For my water, I grabbed an extra kombucha because I love my kombucha, girl. Actually gonna have some tonight. And then I also grabbed some spicy spicy honey sauce. I'm guessing it's like hot honey. And I was like, oh, I can drizzle this on the pizza. And then I could just have it as well if I go back and get some of the ingredients to make my own pizza. And then I needed some more garlic powder, so I just picked up one there. But yeah, y'all, that's our grocery haul. I'm about to put all this stuff up, probably make me some dinner, and then just relax for the rest of the night. I do have clinical tomorrow, so if I don't talk to y'all for the rest of the night, I will see you guys in the morning.
Yes, while you may be a girlfriend, but you're still your own person. I'm going to start with my business. I go to restaurants on my own. I like that. Don't got nothing to do with that man. You have whatever. I think you're going to become mothers. I think this is another conversation. I'm not a children, so I don't speak for women who are children or for mothers, but I do get this question a lot from mothers who are more common or stating that they're trying to express themselves and they want to feel that helps them feel, better about themselves. And so in my opinion, I think it's a very common topic that we speak about, that when having children, you need to lose yourself for a bit. And it's also going to happen in relationships. You don't have to date anyone, right? But these are 2 of the ones that I think we see the most and come up something positive. Obviously, you lose yourself through grief, through horrible situations, but kind of losing yourself in something that's supposed to be positive. It's like, okay, everything I do here or involve or a girlfriend, whatever y'all do. Okay, so that is probably the biggest going. Whatever it was that you did before you met your partner, and y'all start like, okay, we're gonna be serious. We're gonna do real life. you like to do it and when you like to do it. You know what I mean?
Good morning, y'all. I'm so freaking tired. And I'm honestly just trying to hurry up so I can get there. Good morning, it's Monday. I'm tired. Today just wasn't a good rest day. Take these flexi rods out. Y'all know my MO. I do the flexi rods because it's easy to just take out in the morning. Ow. Yeah, clinical today. I started my second clinical, which is my med-surg clinical, last week. We're not even gonna discuss that one because I'm driving to Timbuktu. But we started that one, so we have that again this week. So that'll be interesting. See us go to two clinicals. But today is peds, and I actually like this clinical. I'm just tired, you know, just waking up early is just always not fun. But we're almost ready. I'm wearing this undershirt from Walmart. My scrub pants, y'all can't even see them, are if I go back, will you see them? Yeah, are from Lulu. They're not even scrub pants, but I'm wearing them as scrub pants. And yeah, lashes last night. Using my CeraVe foaming cleanser. I forgot I had a pimple patch on. B-Day is next week, and I need my skin to get it together before Valentine's Day, okay? Please and thank you. I don't have to be there till 6:40, but I like to just have me a minute to woosah before I really have to go into clinical to collect my thoughts. So that's honestly why I'm rushing, but I'm not really in a rush. I'm interested in how today is gonna be. I've had a good experience so far in my peds clinical. My instructor is amazing. And yeah, it's been a good time. I think this is either our third or fourth day. And we have a total of 6. So we're getting to the finish line, baby. My other one, we just started, so girl, I don't get done with that one until March. But luckily, this one will be over sooner than we know it. And it's actually my fave of the semester so far. Out of all my rotations. I did like my mental health clinical though too, so it's up there with that one. I'm about to get ready to head out. Do we like it? Okay. Good morning, y'all. I did not talk to you guys once I got home from clinical yesterday, but I just needed to decompress and just vibe. So I didn't pick up the camera. I literally was chilling, watched TV, on the phone, all that jazz. So yeah, now it is the next morning. It is Tuesday, and we're about to go to the gym, get our little workout in. If you watched my last vlog, I did say I wanted to get back in the routine of going to the gym, working out. Cardio is my main focus, but I might do a little light lifting today. But I'm definitely going on the Stairmaster, building our way back up. And yeah, and then we might get an acai bowl after. Acai bowl, not acai. Acai bowl. And yeah, but let's go head to the gym. Before we head to the gym, I am going to take a shot of my apple cider vinegar. It's part of my regimen in the morning that I try to keep up with. So I need some warm water. And get some warm water, put a little bit in a cup, and take it as a shot before we head to the gym. We also need to study today. We have an exam this Friday. And like I told you guys, we started our other clinical, which is on Thursday. It's the day before my exam, which I really hate. That's why we need to work hard at the beginning of the week. So by the time Thursday night come after clinical and I'm just dead, don't feel like doing nothing, it'll just be a review. And I've already like kind of, you know the stuff, know the material. So yeah, let's stop yapping. So I just take my room temperature water, I pour it a little bit in this cup, and then I just use the cap to do my little shot. Perfect. And here we are. Let's take this. That wasn't too bad today. So yeah, now that we've done that, we're about to go downstairs, go to the gym. Yeah, let's go.
JP.
And that's the way I like it.
That's the way I like. That's the way I like it.
That's the way I like it.
When I'm down for the niggas.
That's the way I like. I get this type of feeling we ain't accustomed to.
Yeah, only want you love me beside me.
But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it.
That's the way I like it.
And that's the way I like
Ain't
it.
taking a smile from none of these bitches.
That's the way I like it.
When I'm down for the niggas.
That's the way I like.
And she know that everything made me feel loved. Had else I think, but right now it's just a hole. Should've felt good, just letting them don't wanna hold me. Pipe me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vice. I take it off when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I find it up, risk it all like I'm rolling dice. Taking it all, it's my second life.
All right, y'all, we are post-workout. I look absolutely crazy, but today was a good gym day. I did arms and back today, and then I did 10 minutes on the Stairmaster again. I think tomorrow when I go back, I want to do 15 minutes, work our way back up. But we have our acai bowl. I'm very basic when it comes to my acai bowls. I used to get like all the strawberries, blueberries, all that stuff, baby. I'm very simple. I get banana and peanut butter and granola. Very plain, very basic. I am little, if y'all don't know, I'm a picky eater. This looks delicious to me. Let me actually open it up for you guys. Here and eat it, or if I should just go home and eat it. Let's take a little pic for the thumbnail. Ooh, let's dig in, y'all. Let's take a bite. Okay. Oh, I forgot. It does have like the chocolate whey in it, and I didn't take it out this time. I usually don't get that, but that is too good. While I was on this side of town, I also picked up a salad from Chick-fil-A so I could have it later on. That'll probably be my lunch / dinner. I've been intermittent fasting. Today we went a little early. We started eating at around 11:30, which is fine. I'll probably do my cutoff at like 7:30, which has really been working out for me, 7:30 or 8. So yeah, we'll see. But I really haven't been that hungry, so eating this and then having that salad later on would be really good. I think I'll be full. But yeah, y'all, we're just about to enjoy our acai bowl, and then we need to go back and study for this exam. This is an adults 2 exam that we have this week, and it's on like anemias, blood transfusions, respiratory. So a lot of content, a lot of content. So we need to go back and work on that because I do have clinical, like I said, on Thursday, which is the day before my exam. So I won't have a lot of time on Thursday to study because it's a 12-hour clinical shift. It's neither here nor there. I'm going to finish this up, and then I will see you guys at home when it's time to study.
And then we're going to break down some practice questions toward the end of this video, including the really tricky fully compensated versus partially compensated EEGs. We become acid. Basically, the body goes into acidosis. And too high, over 7.45, we become more base. The body goes into alkalosis. Now, that sounds pretty simple, right? Well, here's where it gets confusing. The key players that keep us in balance. Just think, carbon dioxide is carbon diacid, since too much carbon dioxide pushes us into acidosis, high acid. What makes the body acidotic? Acid. And for base, which makes us alkalotic, just think bicarb base. Now, the main organs that control these are the lungs and the kidneys. So the lungs control carbon dioxide comes out, and so more CO2 is retained in the body, which makes the body more acidic. So remember, more carbon dioxide means more carbon diacid, less acidic and more alkalotic, that base. Now, on the other side of things, the kidneys control two key players here, HCO3. The kidneys regulate this acid-base imbalance by excreting more acid into the urine. When assessing the patient's integumentary system, which dermatological manifestation may indicate anemia? Now, for the top tested treatments, you must know dietary sources that are rich in iron.
I guess I'm gonna get this testimony. When everyone else around me.
Yeah, look at the snow. I couldn't get the snow off my car from right here. It's snow all in my car. Yo, it's freezing outside. It's literally freezing. It's cold. I need my car to warm up. I wonder if my windshield wipers will work. Y'all know I am not from up here. I am not used to this. I am not used to this at all. This is for the birds. I didn't get to talk to you guys this morning, but we had clinical, even though it's a snowstorm that is currently going on right now. And I drove very far to get to this clinical site. It's actually very out of range, but we're gonna talk about that some other time. In the meantime, we are actually about to go see if we can check into our hotel room because we are staying somewhere near here. Oh baby, look at this traffic, y'all. Did you see all that red? So yeah, we have a 45-minute drive. We have to drive very cautiously, and hopefully we're gonna get there around 12. So hopefully the hotel lets us check in early for the day. Come on, keep going, keep going. And yeah, we shall see. Let me do some water with this. Some water with this skirt down. Y'all can tell, baby. This is really crazy work. All right, let me stop chatting. Let's go to this hotel. I cannot believe it's all this freaking snow in my car. All right, y'all, we made it to our room. We made it into our hotel room. Thank God. Just checked in, and I got to check in early, and I'm so glad because, baby, gotta get out of that storm. Gotta get out of that jam. So yeah, y'all, backstory of why we're staying in, my cheeks are so red, staying in the hotel room. Like I said, it's a storm going on, and I drive very far from my clinical site, and yeah, I just didn't want to drive home in this type of weather conditions. And plus it works out tomorrow because I have my first adults 2 exam, and this area is kind of still close to where I go to school, so it kind of helps, you know. Yeah, so that's why we're here. And I'm so glad we got to get out early today because, baby, that storm is something serious out there. Like the roads, I'm really not used to driving in snow. That was like my first time driving in snow for real. But I did stop at Chick-fil-A. I got me another Cobb salad. Y'all saw my Cobb salad earlier in the week. We're eating that again. Also for this hotel, I'm staying at the Hilton. She told me that I have a $15 food and beverage credit. So I can order room service tonight if I want dinner, or I can go downstairs to the restaurant. We might end up doing room service because we are gonna study. So I'm about to actually chill, eat, get myself settled in, shower, and then yeah, get to studying. But yeah, y'all, we made it. We're here. Hey y'all, it's a lot while later. I think the last thing I showed y'all, well, I told you guys when we checked into the room, but yeah, it's about to be 8 o'clock. I took me a little nappy nap because baby, I was tired. I got up at like 4:40, so I was tired. I did take a little nap. Now I'm studying. I have my simple nursing open. And yeah, I left y'all hanging. I'm so sorry. But as y'all see, I'm looking rough. We need a keyword for this video, and it's probably this time it's gonna be rough. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, y'all, I am studying for my exam tomorrow. Our exam is at 10 a.m. And then we also have a pediatric simulation tomorrow as well. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to record of that, or if I'm going to be able to record really anything, but I will try. But yeah, we're currently going over chest tubes. Let me show you guys. And excuse the mess. I did order food, like I said earlier. I definitely ordered room service from the restaurant downstairs because I did not feel like getting up to go down there and get any food. So I got some chicken tenders, and honestly, it made my stomach hurt. So I don't know how good it was, but I didn't even eat all of it. But yeah, I wanted to check back in with you guys because I realized, like, Renzi, you haven't picked up your camera in like forever. So yeah, that's the update for right now. We're just studying. I was doing some med math and some practice questions, and now I'm just watching this video on chest tubes because baby, I don't know about y'all, but chest tubes, it be getting me. It be getting me. We be fighting about these chest tubes. So I'm just really reviewing it, making sure I know everything. And then, like I said, practice questions are really what helped me before an exam. So I've been doing a bunch of practice questions and from Quizlet. And yeah, that's pretty much the update. I will probably talk to you guys tomorrow morning before we go head to our exam. So all jokes aside, I did want to come back on here and let you guys know, if you are new here, I do use Simple Nursing. So the keyword will be Simple Nursing because Nurse Mike helps us through all of our exams, okay? 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you do not have the membership, go get it. It's very helpful for exams, especially dealing with med-surg. Oh, baby. My first med-surg 2 exam, and I will say that I'm nervous, but I really, like, you know, you just never know. I feel like I'm the type of student, not everybody's different, that like a lot of people after the exam like to get around and talk and compare answers or see what they guess. I'm not that girly. I don't ask me about nothing. Okay? I don't want to talk about it because we don't know yet. Like, let's just vibe, okay? So I don't really like to stay after and like do the whole yap about the exam because I don't want to talk about it. I don't like the whole weird comparing scores and stuff like that. Like, a lot of times I feel like I've been doing very well on my exams, but you know, just everybody learns different and some people retain information differently. Like, I know some people really struggled with mental health, but I did really great on my mental health exam, but maybe they did really good on the med-surg exams. Like, you just never know, you know? So I feel like it's not good to like compare each other's scores and stuff like that. To me, that's just weird. But that's neither here nor there. Like I said, I use Simple Nursing, Nurse in the Making medical surgical cards, flashcards, and I love these, live by these. They're very helpful. I told you guys we were doing chest tubes, so this is just a quick and easy little flashcard to help me with that. And then I'm also doing anemia. So like I just have all the little cards out that I'm focusing on while also looking at simple nursing videos. That's really what I do. I do review some of the PowerPoints and the lectures, but I feel like simple nursing really just gives it to you plain and simple and lets you know the things that you need to know. By all means, definitely look in your school's PowerPoints or whatever their lecture is, because you know stuff like that can be on the exam that they want you to know. And I know not everybody's school might not give study guides. We get kind of like a general study guide for our exams, so I kind of base my studying off of that. And then, like I said, I do practice questions through Quizlet. But yeah, I wanted to add that while we're studying. But yeah, see y'all tomorrow.
That we have available to provide what you might see in the real world is that we're going to review and have an understanding about the social determinants.
Hey girl, hey, we are back home, as you guys can tell. If you're not new here, you could tell. But yeah, we just came back home from school. We did a little shower, got ourselves together because baby, we had that pedi simulation, which I tried to show you guys a little bit of like what we were doing, even though it really wasn't self-explanatory. So I'm gonna fill you guys in. We pretty much got to work with the pharmacy students at our school via Zoom, and we did like a little case study. Excuse me, we did a little case study on asthma, and yeah, it was pretty cool. Nice to interact with a different group of students. We took our first adults 2 exam. Baby, I don't know y'all, fingers crossed that we passed that test and you know that it went well. But yeah, no. But anyways, now I'm about to just chill, probably watch some YouTube. I do have some assignments that I need to finish for the weekend, so I will probably do those later on. I probably won't record any of that because y'all probably tired of seeing me do my work over and over and over again. So yeah, that's pretty much the update for today. If I don't talk to you guys later on, then I will talk to you guys tomorrow. We're supposed to be having another storm coming through tomorrow, so I really want to go to the mall tomorrow and maybe go look at Victoria's Secret, but I don't know, that's going to be depending on the weather. So like I said, I will probably end up really talking to you guys tomorrow afternoon depending on how the weather is. Good morning, y'all. Happy Saturday. As you can see, we have on our gym attire. And we're about to go downstairs and head to the gym right now. It is currently 9:43 in the morning. So we're gonna get an early start. As y'all can see, the sun is shining, so I don't think we're having any snowstorm or whatever. So we'll probably go to the gym. We will probably go to the mall later on. And, you know, go look around, shop around a little bit. Y'all know I need my retail therapy. I'm wearing my Hokas. These are my clinical shoes, but they're really comfortable. So I'm like, I'm gonna wear them to work out, even though they look like big old bolts. But yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna show you guys me in the gym because I showed you guys that earlier in the week and it's pretty repetitive. Today, I do think I'm gonna work on legs and then obviously do cardio. I will probably check in back with you guys once we are showered and ready to go to the mall. When I tell y'all, the gym is up 1,000 and I'm at 0 because baby, I am tired. I literally, y'all lucky I didn't pull this camera out when I first got in here. I laid out on the floor because baby, what? My legs are killing me. I hate doing squats. I hate doing stuff like that. And today, the first day is the day I did sumo squats. Don't even know if my formation was right, but I was watching TikToks and was trying to get my form together. And I feel them, baby. I feel them. Okay? I feel them real bad. So we did an incline walk today. We did some leg presses, the sumo squats. We got on the Stairmaster. And baby, by the end, I did the Stairmaster at the end. I was fighting for my life. But we did go up to 15 minutes today. Because I just couldn't stop. I was like, we've been doing 10. We need to go up. Next is 20, then 25, 30. baby, I don't know. I'm trying to make it to that 45 mark. Y'all know to be like, do 45 minutes on the Stairmaster. If I do that, I'm just doing the Stairmaster because everything I did today and then doing 45 minutes on the Stairmaster. Who do y'all think I am? I'm not training for the Olympics. Okay. Just saying. But yeah, y'all, my legs are screaming. But I did lie to you guys yesterday. Yesterday I was like, oh, I have some work to do. I'm gonna chill, do some work. Yeah, I didn't. And my assignments are due tomorrow. And that's so unlike me. I usually do my assignments during the week, but with these exams we've been having, baby, I be studying all week and the assignments will get done. But first and foremost is studying for that exam, which we haven't got our results back yet. But I'm gonna just chill for a little bit, let my body wind down and relax. Then we're gonna shower. I kind of said I don't need to go to the mall until I finish my work, because it's like, why are you going to the mall to go look and spend money and you didn't even do and finish your responsibilities? Like, you don't get rewards for that. You don't. So I'm probably, it's 11:06. Hopefully I can shower, decompress, do some work, and then maybe we'll go to the mall. I am so lightheaded, y'all. But I feel very skinny. I feel very skinny, Let me stop. I will talk to y'all when we're ready to head to the mall. All right, y'all, we are ready for the mall. We went super basic and chill for the outfit. Wearing this sweatsuit. It is from Aritzia. No, where did I get this from? I think Aritzia. No, we're just gonna go with that. All right, y'all, we are ready for the mall. We went super basic and chill for the outfit. I'm just wearing this sweatsuit. It is from Aritzia. No, where did I get this from? I think Aritzia. No, we're... We do have the I don't know much though. What's in the mall that does what? This couple that won Love Island. Their stuff is in here for these ones.
They got a clothes line?
These are cute. Yeah, that's why I'm like, I feel like I should get something like cute, but I guess it's hard trying to figure out what I want.
So yeah.
Thank you. All right, y'all, it's a little while later, but we're back. I wanted to show you guys what we got from Savage X Fenty. That was my first time shopping in there. It actually just opened in that mall, so see what her Valentine's Day collection was looking like, because I was so unimpressed by Victoria's Secret. Like, boring. Yeah, I didn't get nothing out of there. And the mall just wasn't giving. Like, online shopping is really where it's at. That's mostly what I do most of the time, outside of when y'all see me like go to like a Aritzia and stuff like that. I won't show y'all all these. These are my undergarments. I won't go too crazy, but their bras were 2 buy one get one free. So I was like, oh, I never tried her bras before, so I went with this black one. I tried it on, obviously, so let me so it's this little bra. It's super cute. I went with black since it was my first time buying from her, and yeah, it's just super cute. It does have the underwire there, but the details on it are very cute, as you guys can see. Hopefully you can see. It says Savage X Fenty on the side. Actually really comfortable when I tried it on. And yeah, this is the bra that I got for free. It was originally $49.95, but we got it for free. Shout out to Riri. And then I got me a little set or whatever, because I was like, ooh, that'd be cute with my dress for Valentine's Day, because we did order a dress for Valentine's Day, but y'all will see all that in the next vlog. Not in this vlog, in the next vlog, okay? But I think I'm gonna close out the vlog here today because I really don't have much else to show you guys. This will really conclude our weekly vlog for nursing school. Sorry if this week was a bit boring. We really didn't do much, but this is just like as realistic as it gets. So yeah, we actually did pass our exam that we took on Friday. I was worried for what? Like, you know, I gotta be a little dramatic sometimes. But we actually did well and we passed. So I'm so grateful and glad about that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Make sure you guys comment the keywords. It was 2 keywords in this video actually. So to your own discretion, do what you want. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next weekly vlog.